So a quick little video of what I'm trying to accomplish. This wire, according to my friend who works at a shop, he owns a shop, and put the car in a scanner, and the code was P2507, which said low input voltage to the ECU or ECM, PCM, something like that. But since I'm not taking a video of what I've done here, just showing you the quick fix, my buddy said take this fuse box, flip it upside down, and a red wire, or he said a wire, would probably fall off, or I'd find a corroded one. As soon as I started moving this thing and getting it, this kind of popped, oops, and went off to the side, and it was broken. And there is some green corrosion. Probably can't see because it didn't, yeah, you can see it right there. So seems like that's where the corrosion is on the terminal. I'm going to take it and just basically put a 10 amp inline fuse there, and then just going to plug it in. Going to complete the circuit there with that half-ass connector that I've made, and kind of get it to lay down and out of the way. Or maybe I'll leave the cover off. Car is 200,000 miles, and I'm just trying to get it along for another 12 months or so. Anyways, that's my little video what I fixed to get rid of my dash light, and I'll maybe make a follow-up video and let you know if it worked.